Good evening, Celine. A 100-lap race honoring the late WHEB radio host Andy Blacksmith was held at New Hampshire Motor Speedway on Saturday. The race, titled the Andy Blacksmith 100, was part of the Wheelin' Modified series. Blacksmith died in June while waiting for a heart transplant. Several of Blacksmith's longtime colleagues also attended the race. Todd Stange, driving the number 4 car, took the checkered flag. Reporting live here outside the Motor Speedway in Loudon, New Hampshire, I'm Riley King for New Hampshire One News. Celine, back over to you.